Good morning, dear students. In today's lecture, we will talk about the most important topic of organic chemistry, and the name of the topic is resonance. In class 12, some questions are framed in your board examination based on topic resonance. So please pay attention on this topic in class 11th so that you will not face any problem in class 12. So before we start, just remember, it is a type of electronic displacement in a molecule or in an ion. Ion can be cation, that is positive, or ion can be anion, that is negative ion. So first of all, let me complete the definition of resonance. There are some compounds for which more than one structures can be drawn, or for which more than one structures are possible, but none of the structure explains all the properties of that compound, because the real structure lies in between all the given structures, or we can say the real structure is having properties of all the drawn structures or the given structures. So a single structure that we are drawing here cannot explain for all the properties of the compound or of that ion. This phenomenon is called resonance. Remember, in resonance, we never change the position of the atoms. Then what we do? We normally change the position of the electrons because it is a type of electronic displacement. To make it more clear, let us start with an example. And for explaining resonance, we are taking example of benzene, that is C6H6. The simplest aromatic organic compound. It's a cyclic molecule and all the atoms lies in the same plane, carbon and hydrogen all. Benzene is a molecule with 3 alternate pi bonds, or we can say double bonds. There are 3 double bonds which are arranged in alternate order. So here, let us start with the structure number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 atoms of carbon. With each atom of carbon, we are having 1 hydrogen atom attached. That's why the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. And here we have drawn 3 double bonds in alternate order. Double bond, then a single bond, double bond, then a single bond, double bond, then a single bond. Now, these double bonds are not localized. The double bonds here are delocalized, means they are changing their position with respect to time. So, the double bond which is present here after some time it will change its position and will come back here or will come to this position. And if a double bond comes here, then for maintaining the alternate order, we have to shift this double bond from here to here. At the same time, we have to shift double bond from here to here. So we will obtain one more structure in which double bonds have changed their position, but double bonds have alternate arrangement. Alternate arrangement. See again. Double bond, then a single bond, double bond, then a single bond, double bond, then a single bond. So here, these double bonds are not localized, the double bonds are delocalized. These are changing position with respect to time. So here, there are two structures possible for benzene. It means benzene is exhibiting resonance, because we have drawn two structures for benzene. We have not changed the position of carbon or hydrogen, simply we have changed the position of the double bond. It means we have shifted electrons from one place to another place. Now, if these are the real structures of benzene, then benzene molecule must exhibit two different types of bond lengths. Here, in first and second, we are having three double bonds between the carbon-carbon atom. Single bond between the carbon, single bond between the carbon, single bond between the carbon. Here also single bond between the carbon, single bond between the carbon, single bond between the carbon. And three double bonds, C, double bond C, C, double bond C, C, double bond C. Here also C, double bond C, C, double bond C, C, double bond C. It means benzene molecule should have two different types of bond length. When it is forming single bond, then the value of bond length must be 1.54 angstrom. And when it is forming double bond, then the value of bond length will be 1.34 angstrom. These are the fixed values. When carbon is forming single bond, its value for bond length is always 1.54 angstrom. And when it is forming double bond, then the value of the bond length is always 1.34 angstrom. So if first and second structures are the real structures for benzene, then benzene molecules must show two different types of bond length. One is with value 1.55 angstrom, and another with value 1.34 angstrom. But the experimental facts reveals that all the bonds in the benzene molecule are having same value for bond length, and for each bond the bond length is having value of 1.39 angstrom. It means the real structure lies in between structure first and structure number second. So how to draw the structure? These double bonds are changing their position. These are delocalized. That's why each bond between the carbon-carbon atom is not having single bond or double bond. Rather, the bond nature is partial double bond. That is 1.5. That's why we are getting value of 1.39 angstrom. This value lies in between 1.54 angstrom and 1.34 angstrom because each bond is having partial double bond character. None of the bond here is completely single bond. None of the bond here is completely double bond. Rather, it is partial double bond. So how to draw? We can draw delocalized pi bond or double bond in this manner. So this is the structure which is having characters or properties of structure number 1 and structure number 2. So this is the real structure for benzene, while first and second are the hypothetical structures. So first and second structures are called resonating structures or canonical structures, and these are hypothetical. While this structure, which is having properties of structure first and second, is called resonance hybrid, hybrid of first and second. And the bond value is 1.39 angstrom. So again, the definition of resonance: there are some molecules for which more than one structures can be drawn, but none of the structure explains all the properties of that molecule, because the real structure lies in between all the known structures, or we can say the real structure is having properties of all the structures. This phenomenon is called resonance, and the real structure that we have obtained is called resonance hybrid. That's all for today. Thank you.